Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. I got something a little bit different, something I thought was pretty neat, so I want to show it to you. But we're going to try and get all the leaves off this one tree, all of them, in this one bag. So the first part of the video was, I don't know, a week or maybe 2 weeks ago. And that's when it had a few leaves still on the tree, but you can see it's completely naked now. And I have not done anything with the leaves. Now, about maybe 3.5 weeks ago, I did mow the grass over here. And I basically just ran over the leaves as I was mowing, and it chopped up a little bit of them. But that's the only time the mower has been over these leaves. So, of course, since then, considerably more have fallen. So let's get them all blowed up. I'm gonna blow them in the ditch out here to just be kind of easier to rake them up and put them in the bag. I'm really curious to see if all the leaves from one mature maple tree will fit in that one bag. So the pile's actually a little bit bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I think we can make it work. And actually, while I was blowing, there's a full-size mature crepe myrtle over there on the corner of the house. And I blew those leaves over here as well. So we've got both crepe myrtle and maple leaves in the pile now. So this thing is called a leaf burrito. A leaf burrito. It's got some carry handles on it. I don't have any kind of association with these folks. I do know, I think they're out of Charlotte, North Carolina, which is cool. I found them at the GIE 2 years ago and bought one while I was there. And I seen it again this year while I was at the GIE, and I think they've changed the design on the bag just a little bit. So this is, I don't know what generation this is. It's just the one I got. I think the one they got, they changed it in some kind of way to make it better or easier or something or another. But I thought it would be good for like DIYs that live in the city. You have leaf pickup, you can get all your leaves up, put them in this bag, take them to the street and leave them. It actually says on the bag, it says approved for curbside servicing, where they will empty this reusable bag and then leave it in your yard. Write your address below. So you write your address here so nobody, well, in case somebody does borrow it, maybe they'll return it. This product is proudly made right in North Carolina. Woohoo! All right, you can unzip the thing all the way down and kind of lay it out flat. You know what, if I'd have known that, I would have laid it out in the ditch. Leafburrito.com, Google them, that's probably what the website is. Yeah, I just looked, just wrote on the bag, leafburrito.com. You wanna go check them out. All right, I think that's about all I'm gonna be able to get on here. But I think I can zip it up and pack them down real good. And I think this might just work. This might just work. Big, thick, heavy-duty zipper. I like that. And you commercial guys or DIY guys, if y'all have one, comment, tell me what you think. First time I've ever used it. All right. Whoa. Now let's try it like that now. I think we're gonna make it. Maybe. All right, let's pack it again. Oh my goodness. So that's your boy, Ric Flair. Ooh. I have to look, make sure no neighbors watching. We're looking good. It's getting tight though. Getting pretty full now. It's a matter if I can pack it down some more. I think it needs another Ric Flair. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, it's looking good. What's that? What?
I was like, are you videoing? I was laughing at you.
Well, the video, I was trying to get the whole, all the leaves from that one tree in this one bag. It's working. But when people ride by, they're like,
What's he doing?
it's like, man, that guy's a nut, boy. I'm having to pack it down. But hey, it's pretty cool. It's gonna work.
So you trying to sell that product?
No, I don't deal with these guys.
Okay.
It's just a fun video.
Yeah.
Actually, it's the leaves from the crepe myrtle and this in this right here. Here's your little tip. Don't set the bag on the leaves that you need to get up. Huh? You can.
Bye.
I think that's pretty cool.
That is cool.
An entire maple tree, and it's a little bit of room left over.
Because otherwise you would put them in a cart and they'd fall off.
Exactly.
Drag on them.
Well, that's the cool thing about that. You just zip it up, and I'm just gonna throw them in the bed of the truck and take them to the shop and dump them in the woods.
Well, thank you.
Yeah. Well, look at there.
How about that? That's amazing.
That's pretty cool.
Because that was a lot of leaves.
It was a
It
lot.
doubles it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Bingo, bingo.
Oh my God.
And if you got
And then you pull it.
drag it, or it's got handles if two guys or two girls or whatever need to tote it.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. I like this. I don't have any for work. I might look at getting a couple. I think it might come in handy. Probably so.
Beef burrito. I love it.
The leaf burrito. No cheese included. Well, I gotta say, that's, I'm impressed. I think that's pretty cool. Like I said, I don't think this is the updated bag version that they have. It just seems like, I think I saw Stanley do a video on it or something. And just from watching that bag looks a little different than this. So, like I said, leafburrito.com, you have to go to their website. And if you want to look at it or whatever, I don't even know how much it costs. I can't remember what I paid for it or nothing. It's got grab handles on the sides too. I might get a couple of these for the guys or get one for each crew. So then keep it on the truck. Where I see this being super handy is when we're pruning. Instead of stuffing it in trash cans and fighting it like that, we can actually use these right here and keep things nice and tidy on the trucks. I think I'm gonna send this one with the guys next time they prune and see how they like it. If they like it, I'm gonna get me a couple more, so I'll have some for each truck. So it's getting late. I'm gonna mow this one more time. It's just a handful of leaves here and there. Not a big deal. I'll just mow right over top of those, mulch those up. As always, appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch, and I'll check you later. I gotta figure out how to get this thing up in the truck.